Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RSII. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a couple of weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've been doing this analysis on a very routine basis. Did it yesterday, so that's where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And today the price, acted just like you would want to see it act in the event it pulled back. And this will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched the video from yesterday. But if you did, hopefully you remember me talking about 0.016 as that level of support, which is being represented by that green line. And you can see right there the power of charts. Price pulled back, went sideways a little bit, and then after that point, essentially spent the remainder of the day starting to work its way back upwards. So very nice bounce off that level of support. Still, clearly, lots of work to be done. If the price is going to get back on track in terms of building that overall trend. But every move's got to start somewhere, and this was a good start by being able to maintain above 0.016. But in all honesty, the price could have even broken below that because the price is still, from the big picture perspective, up above that 200 period simple moving average, which on my chart here is being denoted by the pink line. And even if you have a very basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period, and you know that when the price is up above it, you want to see the price stay above it because that implies that the overall trend is still in the bull's favor. So that's why I say, yeah, it's great that 0.016 did hold, but even if it hadn't, you'd still have that next level of support down there at that 200 period simple moving average. So if you haven't connected those dots, primary area of support and the one you want to continue to see hold at 0.016, but if that one doesn't hold, then the next level of support down there at that pink line. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, in the event this continues to work its way back upwards, primary one is going to be that purple line right there, the 50 period simple moving average. You can see ever since the price fell back below it, try to get up above it right there, and it was rejected back down. I believe I talked about that yesterday, but it still provides a kind of a good illustration of just why the bulls are really going to need to bring their A game if the price can get up there to not only break above that purple line, but then also be able to stay up above it. And then after that, you're up at 0.024, but one step at a time. The key priority right now, in my opinion at least, is not necessarily getting up there and breaking above it, but just a nice slow and steady grind to the upside. That's going to be the healthiest thing possible. So we'll see how things unfold. But yeah, no doubt about it. Nice bounce today on the bulls' part. We'll see if they can build upon the momentum or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.